Welcome my dear friends. In this video we'll discuss what is B2B, B2C, C2C and C2B business models. Also I'll give analogy upon passive products. My dear friends, you have heard all this terminology either in MBA courses or marketing seminars or business seminars. We should know all these terms. I'll describe it in very simple language so everybody will understand. Also I'll give the practical examples, so this will be very useful. My dear friend, what is B2B? B stands for business. B2B is business to business. Company provides services or products to other businesses. My dear friend, example, let us say cloth mill. Product is cloth. It sells to garment factory. So garment factory is also a business entity. So it is a business to business deal or business to business transaction. My dear friend, software company. Let's say they are making softwares and those softwares are selling to banks or various industries or business houses. So this transaction is also a business to business transaction, my dear friend. B2B transactions generally have a longer sales cycle but higher order value and more recurring purchases. My dear friend, on passive products, on passive B2B business products, or stuff, there is the human resource management software, HRMS. Various companies, business houses, they will buy these products. So this transaction is business to business. Other product like OLED, customer relationship management software, this also a business to business transaction. So these products are on passive products. There are various other products upon passive or B2B business. These products will be used by industries, business houses and various companies. My dear friend, what is B2C? B2C is business to consumer. C stands for consumer. In B2C, company sells directly to individual consumers. Anything you buy in an online store as consumer, think wardrobe, like you are buying t-shirts, trousers, various dresses or household supplies like mixie, TV, fridge, like that, or books. Entertainment like movie tickets is done as part of B2C transaction. The decision making process for B2C purchase is much shorter than a business to business purchases, especially for items that have a lower value. My dear friend, there are various products on passive products for B2C, direct to the customers, like ODomain, web hosting and domain, OTrim, trim URL, OTracker, OVirtual, ODit, and there are various many products on passive products. So this can be a B2B, B2C products. My dear friend, what is C2C? Customer to customer, consumer to consumer is a business model that enables customers to trade with each other frequently in an online environment. The most prominent example of C2C include eBay, an online auction site like OLX. You can advertise any product you want to sell it, and there will be consumers, they will buy it. So this platform is a C2C platform. Or housing.com, there also you can advertise, give a advertisement or you're selling your house or buying a house or rent, etc. Amazon, which acts as both B2C and C2C marketplace, my dear friend. On passive C2C products, OShop. Then O-commerce it will come in, that is the e-commerce platform. Even O-Tracker can be used in C2C. My dear friend, another segment is C2B. C2B is consumer to business. Consumer to business allows individuals to sell goods and services to companies. Online marketing websites such as Google AdSense, Commission Junction and Amazon are good examples of C2B models. My dear friend, if you summarize, this is the business model matrix initiated by business targeted to consumers is B2C, business to consumer. Initiated by business targeted to businesses, B2B, business to business. Initiated by consumer targeted to consumers is C2C, consumer to consumer. Initiated by consumer targeted to businesses is C2B, consumer to business. My dear friend, these business models in marketing is very specialized. So you'll find ads, companies recruit who are having specialized knowledge in B2B business, business to business, or B2C, C2B, C2C, like that. My dear friend, hope you got a clear idea about these 4 business models. Thanks a lot for active watching. Thanks a lot, my dear friend.